Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn applications based on probability. Firstly, we have to learn what is probability. In general, probability means possibility. According to the math, we can say that it is a branch of mathematics that deals with the occurrence of a random event. The value is expressed from 0 to 1. For example, on tossing a coin, the outcome will be either a head or a tail. The result is easily predictable. But what if you toss two coins at the same time? The result can be a combination of head and tail. In the latter case, the correct answer cannot be obtained. So only one can predict the possibility of the result. This prediction is known as a probability. Probabilities are widely used in all the sectors in day-to-day life, like sports, weather reports, blood samples, predicting the sex of the baby in the womb, congenital disabilities, statics, and many more. Applications. Example 1. Many examples I have taken. In that, example 1 is traffic. Ordinary people use probability every day when they have decided to drive somewhere based on the time of day, location of the city, weather condition, etc. We all tend to make probability predictions about how bad traffic will be during a certain time. For example, if you think there is a 90% of probability that traffic will be heavy from 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. in every area, then you may decide to wait to drive somewhere during that time. Weather forecasting. Example 2 is a weather forecasting. Perhaps the most common example of using probability is weather forecasting. Probability is used by weather forecasters to ask how likely it is that there will be a rain, snow, clouds, etc. on a given day in a certain area. Forecasters will regularly say things like there is an 80% chances of rain today between 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. to indicate that there is a high livelihood of rain during a certain hours. Example 3, politics. Political forecasters use probability to predict that the chance that certain candidates will win various elections. For example, a forecaster might say that candidate A has 60% of chances of winning, candidate B has 20% chances of winning, and candidate C has the 10% chances of winning, etc. And to give voters an idea of how lively or likely it is that each candidate will win. Note, a real example of a site that used probability to perform a political forecasting is 538. Example 4. Sports betting. Probability is likely heavily used by sports betting companies to determine the odds they should set team to win certain games. For example, a sports betting company may look at the current record of two teams that determines that team A has 90% probability of winning while team B has just 10% probability of winning. Based on this probabilities, the company would offer a higher payout for the people who bet on a team B and to win, since it's heavily unlikely that team B will actually win. Thank you.